Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Azka, SS English. A very warm welcome to the online classes of Divisional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. I hope you all would be fine. In this lesson, you would be solving a comprehension exercise based upon the previously learned unit, A Voice in the Dark from Oxford Modern English. Let's discuss the objectives of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to grasp the main idea of the given unit, know the importance of comprehension, develop critical thinking, develop the skills to become independent learners, and answer the given questions appropriately. Dear students, before moving forward, let's revise the summary of the lesson. In this lesson, you learned about two friends, Davis and Jack, who decided to travel by train without a ticket. But unfortunately, Davis got his foot lacerated in this attempt because of the carelessness of his friend. In the end, his calm face while smoking became a hot sensation for the local people. Dear students, you can't deny the importance of comprehension. It develops critical thinking and it also evaluates how much you grasp the certain material. I have designed an exercise for you and you are supposed to choose the correct option based upon the previous lesson, A Voice in the Dark from Oxford Modern English. So let's get started. The first question is, what time of year was it when the accident took place? Option A, summer. Option B, winter. Option C, autumn. So, what is the correct option? Yes, you're right. It's winter. In this lesson, we are told about cold and snowy evenings. So, the right answer is winter. Let's move forward. The next question is, the train used to stop at every option A, important station, option B, big station, option C, insignificant station. We are told that the train used to stop at every station, so the right option is? Yes, you're right. It's C, every insignificant station. The next is, the train was electric, diesel, and steam. The correct option is, the train was steam. We come to know that it was steaming into the station. So, from the description, we come to know that it was neither electric nor diesel, but it was a steam train. The next statement is, Davis allowed his companion to jump on the train first because he was option A, fragile, option B, coward, and option C, disabled. So, dear students, revise your previous knowledge and think why Davis allowed his companion to jump on the train first. So, what comes to your mind? Yes, you're right. It's option C, disabled. His friend had a maimed hand, so that's why Davis allowed his companion to jump on the train first. Let's move forward. There is no time to lose. Who said these words? Option A, Jack. Option B, Davis. Option C, the passenger. By whom are these words told? Just think over it and share your answer. And the answer is yes. Any guess? You're right, it's Davis. The fast passenger train also carried option A, blind baggage car, option B, continental cuisine, and option C, none of these. And the answer is yes, you're right, it was a blind baggage car. What was favorable for both of them? Option A, time. Option B, physical agility. Option C, darkness. As we know that both of them planned to get on the train in the night, so what was most favorable for them? This is a very helpful clue for you. Yes, you're right. It's option C, darkness. My companion stood thoughtlessly irresolute on the steps. These words show the dash of the author. Option A, gratitude. Option B, anger. And option C, calmness. It seems that the author is blaming his friend for the accident. So, what would be the right option? Yes, it's B, anger. This he proceeded to do very deliberately, shows that the author blames Dash for this accident. Option A, fate. Option B, his friend. Option C, the crowd. So, what did the author blame for the accident? Yes, you're right. He blamed his friend. Let's move forward. Pity makes the same speed as option A, love, option B, hate, and option C, fear. And the right answer is yes, you're right, it's fear. Dash caused sensation in the whole press. Option A, the murderer. Option B, calm face and smoking of Davis. And option C, interesting narration of the event. So just recall your previous knowledge and what was causing sensation at the end. Yes, you're right, it's option B. It was the calm face and smoking of Davis instead of being his foot lacerated, which caused sensation in the whole press. We are done with today's lesson and it's time for review. So let's review this lesson quickly. First of all, we discuss our topic for today's lesson, that is comprehension. We learned that comprehension is extremely important to check and enhance mental sharpness, critical thinking, and understanding of students. It also evaluates the mental level of students. Secondly, we revised the summary of A Voice in the Dark from Oxford Modern English. And thirdly, you answer different questions based upon the learned concept. I hope this lesson will help you while understanding some tricky points of A Voice in the Dark. Dear student, your assignment for today is to find some answers of the questions and write in your notebooks. That's all for today. It's Azka signing off. Allah Hafiz.